In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoCAD Civil 3D. We'll walk through the core workflow from a blank drawing to a deliverable, keeping everything practical and easy to follow. Start by opening Civil 3D and creating a new drawing. Choose a Civil 3D template that matches your units and drafting standards so your styles, label sets, and default settings are ready to go. Save the file right away with a clear project name and location. If you don't see the Toolspace palette, turn it on. This is your command center. In Toolspace, focus on the Prospector tab. Here you'll manage surfaces, points, alignments, and profiles. Think of Prospector as the project tree that lists your design objects, while the Settings tab holds styles and label settings. Expanding each category shows what's already in the drawing and gives you shortcuts to create and edit items. To build terrain, create surfaces from points or contours. If you have survey points, import them and group them logically, then add those point groups to a new tin surface. If you're working from existing contours, add them as contour data to the surface instead. Use break lines along edges like curbs or creeks to maintain realistic slopes. After adding data, rebuild the surface and switch surface styles to review triangles, contours, and elevations for quality control. Next, design alignments and profiles for roads or corridors. Use the alignment creation tools to lay out your centerline with tangents and curves and set stationing and design criteria that match your standards. Generate a surface profile along that alignment, place a profile view, and then draw your design profile over the existing ground. Use smooth vertical curves and check grades to ensure constructability. These alignments and profiles form the backbone of any roadway or corridor design. When the geometry is in place, generate sections, labels, and reports. Create sample lines along the alignment to cut cross sections, then build section views to analyze terrain across your corridor. Add labels for surfaces, profiles, stationing, and geometry so your sheets are clear and consistent. For documentation, open the toolbox to run standard reports such as alignment, profile, and volume summaries. Finally, export or plot your drawings as needed. Set up layouts with viewports at the correct scales. Apply the right plot style for line weights, and plot to PDF for review. If you're sharing data, export DWG files or publish LandXML for surfaces and alignments. Do a quick visual check, save your work, and you're done.